Marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Your ads shouldn't be either.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kicking what sales is easy as D-E-P.
I'm Katie, your digital marketing expert, and I'm here to show you why it's as easy as DEP to create ads that actually work. When I see a search results page that looks like this, it tells me two things. First, over-automation. Many digital marketing providers rely too much on dynamic variables, automated elements that insert stock levels, pricing, or other data into your ads. While useful in moderation, over-automation leads to generic ads that lack personalization. Second, lack of variation. When the same ad template is used across multiple dealerships, the only difference in their ads is the name of the store. This means less engagement and lower performance on Google. We all want to save time, but AI can't do everything. Dynamic variables should be just one part of your strategy. Your other ads need to be custom. This means highlighting your offers and your why buys, the reasons shoppers should choose you. Let's take a look at a strong, customized ad. Here's what makes it effective. The URL path is optimized with keywords to improve relevancy and ranking. The headline includes a compelling lease offer. The description highlights dealership-specific why buy messaging. And best of all, it links directly to a custom DEP specials page, making it easy for shoppers to find the details they need. The same goes for service ads. Include your best offers, service hours, and unique benefits. For example, this ad emphasizes loaner cars available, a huge perk, especially for customers who rely on their vehicles daily. At DEP, we use dynamic variables, but with a strategy. Instead of relying on a single template across all accounts, we create multiple versions within the same account. This ensures variation and a more tailored ad experience. Before we launch ads, we also pre-optimize them, meaning we select the highest ranking versions before they even go live. This speeds up the learning phase and improves performance right out of the gate. So, if you want ads that actually stand out and drive results, don't rely on a one-size-fits-all approach. Let's build a strategy that combines automation and customization to get the best of both worlds. It really is as easy as DEP.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kicking what sales is easy as D-E-P.